The topic it is Indian desert, and here we are going to see the where is Indian desert and what is the specialty of Indian desert. And Indian desert lies towards the western margins of the Araval Hills, the western side of the we can see that one the outer border it is Araval Hills, and it is an undulating sandy plain covered with sand dunes. We can see the picture, it is given downside the our desert area, and it is with the sand dunes. And you have studied about sand dunes means forming the hill sandy hills because of the wind erosion of the soil or sand. And this region receives very low rainfall, that is only 150 per year, and it has arid climate means the desert climate, and low vegetation. We can't see much grass or any plants, very less cactus or thorny bushes like that things we can see. And streams appear during the rainy season. The rainy season we can see the small streams in between the this desert, and soon after it will disappear. Even just after the rain it will finish it, and sometimes very few days we can see, not even 1 month like that. And it will soon after the disappear into the sand, as they do not have enough water to reach to the sea. It is not forming the full river, and it is like a small streams, and when it is reaching to the sand, and it will disappear. And Luni is the only larger river in this region. Only one river is there, that is Luni river. That is the means the only larger river, that also not reaching to the sea area. Then branches or crescent shaped dunes we can see cover the large areas, but the longitudinal dunes become more prominent near the Indo-Pakistan's boundary. When we are going back to our map, we can see the desert area. Let me take the map, and we can see this one, the map here. This is the desert area, and here this side we can see the speciality of the desert. That is the we have seen already. What is the speciality of that one? That is let me take. The crescent shape longitudinal dunes we can see in that area. And if you are moving to Jaisalmer, means it is Rajasthan, we can see the different branches of that one, and that is all about the Indian desert. And we know it is in the maximum part it is in desert, and some part it is reaching to the Gujarat, and it is rest of the some part we can see there in the Pakistan also. And Indira Canal is there to irrigate this desert area. Indira Canal project they made in the but in 1970s, but not that much successful. But in somewhat we are making little bit area in irrigating and making use for agriculture. And it is very salty area, and it is very difficult to plant the crops also. That is all about the what we can say Indian desert. And sand dunes used to form, and means in one area today we are seeing here in this area the small hill, sand hill, and next day it will move to another area. Like that sand dunes, it is moving one area to another area. And wind, very high wind. And another one, it is climate. In that time it will be hot sun, and it is reaching to 48 degree in the summer season, and in night time it will and the winter nights it will go to minus a degree. That is the special climate of the this Rajasthan desert, or Great Indian Desert, or Indian desert. And you can see the speciality of that one. I will send extra some videos, not now, after the completion of the lessons, which is related to Indian desert and coastal plains, means each and every area. From that we can understand all these things. Thank you. Have a nice day.